Okay, so going on to the next thing. Now, Krishna himself immediately says, behold. He's not waiting for anything. Arjuna has made a request and he's saying, behold, O Partha, forms of me by hundreds and thousands of different sorts of divine, of various colors and shape. And behold the Adityas, the Vasus, the Rudras, the Ashwins, the Maruts. Behold many wonders never before seen. Never before seen. Okay. And he is saying, here you are, everything is available. What you are asking for me to give you, this wonderful vision is available to here and now. In this body, see, Arjuna is looking at Krishna and he's saying, in this body, the whole universe centers in this one, including the moving, the unmoving, and whatever else you desire to see, everything is contained in this one reality. And then he realizes, you're not able to behold me with your own eyes. Okay, so just like if we are watching a three-dimensional movie, and we need to have that special glasses to see the three dimensions. Here, then Bhagavan is giving Arjuna the divine eye. The divine eye through which we can see, or he can see, this wonderful vision, this universal vision of the truth, of the divine. So Gurudev in his commentary, if you read his commentary, he says, for us the divine eye is what? He says it is the eye of discrimination. And through that discriminative power, we are able to behold, at least to start with, divinity in each and every object and thing in this world. We begin to see these things. So divine eye for us is going to be the discriminative knowledge.